Welcome to Mary and Mike English Channel. Wait, before you travel, can you answer this? What do you show first at the airport? And what happens if you forget it?
And here's another one. What is the one paper you must never lose during your entire journey?
Stay with us until the end because we will answer both questions together.
And trust me, you'll feel much more confident at the airport after this lesson.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mary.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're going to learn real, practical English for the airport.
Step by step, simple, clear, and super useful for real life.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
So relax, enjoy, and learn with us.
Now listen carefully, because here are today's 2 questions. Question 1. What do you need at the check-in counter?
Question 2. Which document must you keep safe all the way until you get on the plane?
We will give you the answers in this lesson.
And when you hear them, write your answers in the comments.
Writing in English helps you improve faster. If this is your first time traveling, this lesson is perfect for you.
And if you already traveled before, you will still learn new English today.
All right, now let's go to the airport and meet Lucy.
She will guide you step by step through your journey.
Hi, everyone. Welcome. I'm Lucy, and I'll be your guide today here at the airport. Don't worry, I'll explain everything slowly and clearly. Right now, we are in the departure lobby. This is where your journey begins. You can see passengers, suitcases, and check-in counters all around you. Today, I will show you how to get on a plane step by step, from the very beginning to the moment you sit down on the plane. First, let me explain the 4 main steps. Step 1. Check-in and dropping off your bags. This is where you go to the counter, show your passport and ticket, and give your suitcase to the staff. Step 2. Security check. This is where they make sure everything is safe. Step 3. The boarding gate. This is where you wait before getting on the plane. And step 4. Inside the plane. I will also explain what happens after you sit down. So again, 4 steps. Check-in, security, boarding gate, and the plane. It sounds simple, right? Don't worry, I will guide you through everything.
Now, let's begin with step 1.
We are now at the check-in counter. This is where your airport journey officially starts.
At this counter, you will do 2 things: check in and drop off your bags. Before you come here, you need to prepare 2 important things. Number 1, your passport.
Number 2, your ticket. Some people have a paper ticket. Others have an electronic ticket on their phone. Both are okay. Now imagine you are standing at the counter.
You say, "Hello," and give your passport and ticket to the staff member. The staff will check your name, your flight number, and your destination. They may ask you questions like, "How many bags are you checking in today?" Or, "Do you have any bags to check in?" Check-in bags are the bags that go under the plane, not the small bag you carry with you. After everything is confirmed, you will receive your boarding pass. The boarding pass is very important. It shows your seat number, your gate number, and your boarding time. This answers one of our questions. The boarding pass is the document you must keep safe during your journey. Keep it in your hand or in a small, easy-to-reach place. Now, let's talk about your suitcase. You give your suitcase to the staff at the counter. They will check the weight and then send it to the plane for you. After that, you don't need to carry it anymore. Great! Now you are ready for the next part. But first, let's watch a real conversation between a staff member and a passenger. Listen carefully to how they speak. Good morning, sir. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Of course. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you very much. And do you have your ticket or booking number with you?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Let me show you.
Perfect. Thank you. Let me check that for you. Okay, I can see your booking here. You are on flight AB 304 to New York, departing at 9:45 this morning. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Now, are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase I'd like to check in.
Okay, no problem.
Could you please put it on the scale right here?
Sure. Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Let me check the weight for you. Okay, it is 20 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms. So you are well within the limit. No extra charge.
Oh, great. I was a little worried it might be too heavy.
Not at all. You still have a lot of space left. I will put the tag on your bag now and send it to the plane for you. Okay, here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 5A, which is a window seat, and your gate is gate 15.
5A, gate 15. Got it. Thank you.
Boarding starts at 9 o'clock, so please be at the gate before that time.
Okay, I will make sure to be there on time. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, now we are standing in front of the security checkpoint. This is step 2. Security is a very important part of the airport process. Every single person must go through security before they can get to the boarding gate. That means everyone. Let me explain exactly what happens so you know what to do. First, when you get in line, you will see some plastic trays. You need to put your belongings in the tray. Things like your bag, your jacket, your belt, and your shoes. Some airports ask you to take off your shoes, and some don't. Just follow what the staff tell you. If you have a laptop or a tablet, take it out of your bag and put it in a separate tray by itself. The staff may ask you a quick question like, do you have any liquids, batteries, or sharp items in your bag or carry-on? If you have large water bottles or drinks, you need to finish them or throw them away before you go through. Large amounts of liquids are not allowed. Small amounts are usually okay. Now, quick practice. What belongs in the tray? That's right. Bag, jacket, belt, shoes, laptop. Anything else? Check your pockets too. Make sure your pockets are completely empty. Take out your phone, wallet, coins, keys, and anything else you have. Put them in the tray. Then walk through the metal detector. It looks like a big doorway or frame. If it beeps, don't panic. It just means you might have something metal on you, maybe a coin or your watch. The staff will help you. It's not a big deal. After you walk through, pick up your things from the other side of the machine. And that's it. You're done with security. Okay, now that security is done, we have 2 more steps to show you before getting on the plane. First, we arrive at the boarding gate. Then we'll see what happens inside the plane.
Both of these are real conversations between a staff member and a passenger, so listen carefully. Try to understand as much as you can just by listening.
Let's start with the boarding gate. Good morning, sir. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a look. Okay, so you are on flight AB 304 to New York. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And your seat is 5A. That is a window seat on the left side of the plane.
Yes, I requested a window seat when I booked my ticket. I love looking outside during the flight.
That's a great choice. You should have a really nice view today. The weather is clear.
That's great to hear.
Right now, we are boarding groups 1 through 3. Can you check which group you are in? It's printed on your boarding pass.
Let me see. I'm in group 2.
Perfect! Group 2 is boarding now. You can go right ahead. Please have your passport ready as well.
Okay, here is my passport and my boarding pass together.
Thank you very much. Let me scan your boarding pass. Okay, everything looks good. You are all set. That means you're ready to go. When you enter the plane, turn left and walk straight down the aisle. Your seat, 5A, will be on your left side.
Turn left and walk straight. 5A on the left. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight today.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Excuse me, sir. Can I help you find your seat?
Oh, yes, please. I'm looking for seat 5A. Is this the right row?
Yes, this is row 5. Seat A is right there by the window. That one is yours.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please, go ahead and sit down.
Thank you. Oh, where should I put my carry-on bag?
You can put it in the overhead bin. It's the compartment right above your seat. Just open it and put your bag inside.
Okay, let me try. Like this. Is it in the right way?
Yes, that's good. Just push it in a little more so it doesn't fall out. And please close the bin after.
Okay, done. Perfect.
Great job. Now, sir, we are going to take off soon, so I need you to fasten your seatbelt.
Sure, of course. Actually, I'm not quite sure how the seatbelt works. It looks different from a car seatbelt. Could you show me how to use it?
Of course, no problem at all. It's very easy. First, take the flat metal end in one hand. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it. This part here?
That's the one. Now, slide it into the buckle on the other side. Push it in until you hear a click.
Okay, let me try. Oh, I heard the click. Did I do it right?
Yes, that's perfect. Well done. Now pull the loose end of the strap to tighten it around your waist.
Like this. How tight should it be?
It should be tight but still comfortable. Not too loose, but it shouldn't hurt either. It should fit closely around your waist.
Okay, I think this feels right. Is this good enough?
Let me take a look. Yes, that looks great. You're all set.
Great, thank you. Oh, one more thing. How do I take it off when we land?
Just lift the top of the buckle with your finger. It will release right away. Very simple.
Oh, that's easy. I can do that. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Please keep your seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is turned on. The sign is right up there.
I understand. I'll keep it on. Thank you again.
Of course! And if you need anything at all during the flight, just press the call button right above your seat. A member of the crew will come to help you.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Enjoy the flight. Okay, everyone, we did it. That was the whole process of getting on a plane, from the very beginning to the very end. Let's quickly go over the 4 steps one more time so you remember everything. Step 1 was check-in and dropping off your bags. You go to the counter, show your passport and ticket, and give your suitcase to the staff. They check the weight, put a tag on it, and give you a boarding pass. Step 2 was the security check. You put your things in the tray and walk through the metal detector. Remember to empty your pockets, phones, wallets, coins, keys, anything. Step 3 was the boarding gate. You show your boarding pass, the staff tells you which group is boarding, and you get ready to go on the plane. Step 4 was inside the plane. You find your seat, put your bag in the overhead bin, sit down, and fasten your seatbelt. And that's it. 4 simple steps, and you're ready to fly. I know it can feel a little scary to speak English at the airport, especially if it's your first time. But the conversations you heard today were not that difficult, right? Airport staff are always kind and friendly. They are there to help you. If you don't understand something, it's absolutely okay to ask them to repeat it or speak more slowly. They'll be happy to help. Here's a tip. Listen to this video many times. You can listen while cooking, walking, on the train, or even before sleep. If you listen again and again, the words and phrases will start to feel natural. You'll understand them without even thinking. That is how real learning happens. You are already doing an amazing job by being here and studying English. I am really proud of you. Keep going and don't give up. I believe in you. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful for you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends who are also learning English. It might help them too.
How was it? I hope this video helped you understand English at the airport.
Yes. And now, let's go back to the questions from the beginning. Are you ready?
Question 1. What do you need at the check-in counter?
Question 2. Which document must you keep safe all the way until you get on the plane?
The answers were mentioned in the video. Did you find them? Write your answers in the comments section.
By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills much more efficiently.
On this channel, we share practical and easy English for real-life situations. We'll keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Mary and Mike English channel.
Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment too. All right, that's it for today. We hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye!